Don't miss this sun-filled contemporary one-bedroom condominium, completely renovated and in sparkling move-in condition with covered parking, just steps to Harvard Square and Central Square. Welcome to 516 Green Street, Unit 2C in popular Cambridge, Massachusetts. This second-floor unit has a chic open floor plan with a spectacular wall of windows in each room with custom wooden blinds throughout. The modern kitchen has a large island peninsula that accommodates 5 people and is perfect for entertaining. Also, the kitchen has granite countertops, maple cabinets, and stainless steel appliances. The oversized bedroom has 2 excellent double-sized closets and has plenty of space for a home office. Amenities include common laundry, a private covered parking space, and common area bike storage. Located between the world-famous Harvard University and MIT, and just 1 block off bustling Massachusetts Avenue, this condo has an amazing Walkscore and Bikescore of 98. So most errands do not require a car. From here, you'll be able to get to a remarkable 80-plus restaurants, bars, and cafes, all within just 1 mile of your new home. This location is in the much sought-after Riverside neighborhood in Cambridge and has nearby parks including Franklin Street Park, James Cronin Park, and the Charles River. So simply come in, park your car in your private covered space, move in, and relax in this modern unit in a truly exciting area.